No Turkish credit card, no VPN, and still the absolute cheapest prices on Google Play, as well as tons of other platforms like Disney+, YouTube Premium, and loads more. And even better, all of these are available for up to 80 to 90% less. We're gonna show you how to pick up the very cheapest Turkish prices on all of these. Let's take a look. So let's get straight down to brass tacks with the instructions themselves. First of all, you have to set up yourself a Google account. Now, we seriously recommend this, but you can also persevere with your own Google account if you have one already. However, of course, there could be some extra complications if you do choose to use your own Google account, so we really recommend making a brand new from scratch. Secondly, you want to create a Turkish payment profile. And secondly, all you have to do this is to go over to Google Pay and set yourself up the new payment details. You'll finally end up creating the Turkish payment profile under the My Payment Methods option. I actually use my own personal bank card for this, but you can also use a second debit card or credit card for this if you want to. Or maybe you also have an international facing bank account such as a Revolut account or something, in which case we definitely recommend using something like that. Of course, in addition to this, you must also use a Turkish address. We seriously recommend either Googling like a hotel in Istanbul or something like this, but either way, you want to use a real Turkish address. Either way, here is the address on the screen here, so it's definitely worth maybe using this one if you don't have one already or can't be bothered looking for one. Next up, all you have to do is open up the app that you actually want to buy something in, and you can of course use a browser on your PC, for example, or any other device that is compatible with the Google Play Store. Just make sure that you switch to your Turkish payment profile or your Turkish Google profile rather when you're there. Of course, this could be just the Google Play on your PC, or it could be perhaps a Google TV. Obviously, this is going to be the best choice if you wanted to pick up movies and TV series there. Then simply all you have to do is find the object or app or movie or TV series or whatever that you actually want to buy. Let's maybe use Spider-Man No Way Home as an example here. First of all, and this is super important, you just have to make sure that English is available as an audio language. For example, if you wanted to buy a film or a TV series, as I don't think you're particularly going to be wanting to watch the Turkish audio dub for this without any option for English. Also, you need to make sure that the actual correct currency is displayed when you're trying to view the movie in Google Play Store. If it's still displaying in pounds, even though you've already changed to your now Turkish account, then it can really pay to go into your browser window just there by the URL and change the country code over to a TR for Turkey. For our example here, it should now say that you're buying it for 14.99 in terms of Turkish lira. You can of course also buy this in HD if that's exactly what you want. And once you've picked that up, now congratulations, you've managed to pick up Spider-Man No Way Home for as little as only 61 pence. And needless to say, that's a humongous difference when faced in comparison with the $7.99 that you're going to be paying in the UK here. However, some users have also reported some success when they go on the Google Play Store there, simply just clicking on the buy in pounds anyway symbol, and it should change to Turkish lira. However, repeat the step that we mentioned before if that isn't the case. Needless to say, Spider-Man No Way Home is just an example from us, and you can actually pick up loads and loads more on the Google Play Store. Even better, the thing is you can also pick up Google Play points with whatever you purchase in the Google Play Store. This still counts, even in Turkish lira. For another example here, we can also pick up YouTube Premium for an example, and you can pick it up for only 299 Turkish lira, and guess what that amounts to? It amounts to only £12 for an entire year of YouTube Premium, which is needless to say a massive saving compared to the $11.99 per month that you'd be paying otherwise. There's also of course the possibility of picking up a year's Disney Plus for only £27, which is also another massive saving, and in addition to that you can also pick up tons and tons of apps and whatnot and loads more. There's also Google Drive storage as well, which is now available for only 50 pence per month on the Turkish App Store. Plus there's also tons and tons of games of apps, including Discord Nitro, that are all available for absolutely fantastic prices. Meanwhile, the latest top movies like Black Panther Wakanda Forever are also available for only 21.99 lira, and that amounts to little over £1 in UK terms. However, it's also worth noting that there could be issues that you face in this, and it's not unfortunately a fail-safe method. If you are finding that prices are still available and displaying in pounds, then it might be worth uninstalling the app and reinstalling it. And of course, when you reinstall it, you want to use your new Turkish Google Play account. If the problem is persisting, however, and I know we said this at the beginning of the video that you wouldn't need one, but it's definitely worth retrying this method with a VPN. If that isn't working, then it can also be worth trying the Shelter or the Island apps for this. There is also the case here, of course, that if the prices don't change much from British pounds to Turkish lira, that the developers themselves don't actually want to amend the price according to which country that users are accessing them from. And this is because developers themselves are actually allowed to change and decide what prices they offer their services for. Unfortunately, this can't be avoided even if you're still unfortunately seeing the same familiar price. As we've said as well, you may also want to use your own Google account, but you can face massive issues when trying to do this. However, these issues might be fixable with a VPN or by deleting pretty much every Google account that you have that doesn't have Turkish payment profile selected. However, needless to say, this is a bit of a hassle, so it might just be worth making up a new account instead. If, however, you get a message that Google Play purchases aren't supported in your country, and this is an error that's been known to happen, then likewise as before, it's also definitely useful to uninstall the app and reinstall the app again with your new Turkish payment profile. Also, if this method isn't working either, then it can also be worth, like I said, downloading a VPN and switching on the VPN shortly before you make the purchase. Once you've made your purchase, you don't have to have, for example, your VPN switched on whilst you're using your game or your app. And that's it for our video on how to pick up massively cheap prices thanks to the Turkish lira. We've gone into detail how to get the cheapest prices on the Google Play Store via Turkish lira, and as well as that, how exactly you can pick it up using a Turkish Google account and a Turkish payment profile. Once again, thank you so much for watching from Hot UK Deals. And if you've liked this video, don't forget to pop a like at the bottom of the video and to subscribe to our channel here so you never miss out on all of the very best ways to save. If you haven't done so already, it also definitely pays to become a Hot UK Deals member, where hundreds of deals are posted every day. And don't forget to download our app for free.